This is my INTEX pool. This is the 18 by 52 round pool. I have had this for 2 years. It's held up really well. As you can see, the water is really nice and clear. 4 people. I feel like the 18-foot one is really good for like 4 people. Can have more than enough space with floaties and things like that, and still have space. And the stairs too have held up pretty well. Guys, this is a 2-year-old pool, you know, and it's an above ground, so my expectations have definitely been met with this, and it's still going strong. As you can see, the lines on the pool have somewhat, as you can see the top here, the lines on the pool are basically like gone. They used to have those kind of tile lines everywhere on the bottom and all around the sides, and they've kind of faded away, and that's just through the use of chemicals to keep the pool clean. So the chlorine, sorry, the shock, it's kind of wasted away the lines a little bit, but honestly this is still going strong. It's really easy to set up if you just watch some tutorial videos. The main thing is to kind of get it really stable and flat on the ground so it doesn't end up becoming uneven. But yeah, we have 2 of these where we throw the tablets, and it keeps this size of pool pretty clean. I will just show you the pump here. So this pump works really well. It's really easy to use. Honestly, I highly recommend it if you... We don't know how long this is gonna last, but so far it's been 2 years and it's going strong.
Okay, so what you need to do is you need to, right now it's on filter, you backwash to get all that junk to flow through your sand and get out without going back into the pool, okay? The pool's looking a little rough. I mean, it's clear, but it's not perfect because my son was at baseball camp all week long and I didn't touch the pool for like 7 days. So I'm gonna get back on it today. And there you go. Now you will notice a lot of times if it's been a while since you backwashed, you'll have a stronger flow here. And you can also watch your gauge here. I'm usually in the green. Everybody's pump's a little bit different. I'm usually in the green here. I'm good. When my pump needs to backwash, I'm about a 10. I'm right on the line between the green and the yellow. But I try to backwash probably every 4 to 5 days with my pool. And everybody's different. I have no trees around, so people with trees tend to backwash a little bit more often. But again, every pool is different. I backwash once to twice a week. Some people do it more often than that. Some people do once a week. Okay, so we talked about filter, we talked about backwash, rinse, waste. What is waste? A lot of people get questions about that sometimes. I did a video a few weeks back on waste. Basically, waste is when you have a bunch of junk on the bottom of your pool and you're vacuuming and you don't want it to circulate through your pump and come back into the water. You put the setting on waste, you vacuum your pool just like normal, and it comes out your backwash line into your yard or wherever you have it going. So that's what waste does. Waste allows you to get junk out of the pool without filtering it, putting it right back in the pool.